Flush the instruments using the Purge function. Activate the function in the sub-menu of the Start dialog. Hold the instruments over the cuspidor and press Start. The instruments are flushed for the duration of the set time. Remove the burrs from the instruments using tweezers. Remove the ultrasonic tip using a torque wrench. Disinfect the instruments and hoses with wipes. Then remove the instruments for hygienic reprocessing. If your treatment center includes an apex locator, clean the components after each treatment. The mucous membrane electrode and the file clamp with connection line can be sterilized. All other components can be disinfected by wiping. Disinfect the upholstery on the treatment center using a disinfectant. Be sure to wipe the upholstery dry to remove excess disinfectant. Remember to also disinfect the working stools. Start by disinfecting the surfaces. First, lock the user interfaces by pressing the Clean button on the dentist element. Clean the dentist element, the tray, the monitor, the operating light, and the support arm. Perform suction hose cleaning by placing the suction hoses in the adapters in the water unit and press the green button to start the function. Then, clean the gold trap and the cuspidor. Now disinfect the assistant element. Remove the suction hoses from the adapters and return these to their original position. Remove the suction handpieces for reprocessing. All the suction handpiece parts can be thermo-disinfected and sterilized. Press the Clean button on the dentist element for at least 3 seconds or press the foot control to unlock the user interfaces. Prepare your treatment center for the next treatment and configure the dentist and assistant elements with the instruments required for the next treatment.